The mirrorless camera market continues to evolve at a rapid pace, with Sony and Canon leading the charge. Both the Sony A7V and Canon EOS R6 Mark III are stellar options for photographers and videographers seeking cutting-edge performance. In this guide, we'll dive deep into these two powerhouse cameras, examining their strengths, weaknesses, and what makes each unique in a crowded market. Sony A7V. The A7V carries forward Sony's reputation for compact and robust designs. It features a magnesium alloy body that's weather-sealed to resist dust and moisture, making it a reliable option for outdoor shoots. Canon's R6 Mark III sports a slightly larger and more traditional DSLR-like body. It's equally well-built with weather sealing, offering durability in challenging conditions. The improved grip design and strategically placed buttons make handling comfortable, especially for those transitioning from DSLR cameras. Sony's 5th-generation Alpha 7 camera features a newly developed 61-megapixel full-frame sensor with advanced BSI, back-illuminated technology. This sensor delivers exceptional dynamic range, sharpness, and low-light performance. Canon's latest offering boasts a 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor with its renowned dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system. While its resolution may seem modest compared to the A7V, the R6 Mark III excels in color science and low-light capabilities, offering clean images up to ISO 51-200. The A7 vs autofocus system is powered by 693 phase detection points, enhanced by AI-powered real-time tracking. Whether you're shooting fast-moving subjects or portraits, the IAF for humans and animals is incredibly reliable. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology continues to impress, featuring 1,053 focus points. The R6 Mark III's AI enhancements offer exceptional subject tracking, particularly for human eyes, faces, and animals. It's also tailored for sports and wildlife photography. The A7V excels in video with 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second. It supports 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, offering incredible color depth for post-production. The R6 Mark III offers 6K RAW video recording externally and 4K at up to 60 frames per second internally, oversampled from 6K for added sharpness. With Canon Log 3 and HDR PQ options, it delivers stunning footage, though it falls slightly short of the A7V in RAW resolution. Sony's focus on professional workflows is evident in its robust connectivity options. The camera includes dual SD and CF Express Type A card slots, USB-C with power delivery, and Wi-Fi 6 for fast wireless transfers. Additionally, remote control via Sony's Imaging Edge app is seamless. Canon's R6 Mark III offers dual SD card slots and USB-C connectivity. Its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth integration ensure quick file sharing and tethered shooting. Canon's Camera Connect app provides intuitive remote control and live view support. With the NP-FC100 battery, the A7V delivers approximately 710 shots per charge, separated. In real-world use, it often exceeds this, particularly in energy-saving modes. The LP-E6NH battery powers the R6 Mark III, offering around 580 shots per charge. While adequate for most scenarios, it's slightly behind the A7V in longevity. Sony A7V, priced at $3,899, body only. The A7V is a premium investment for professionals who demand top-tier performance. Canon EOS R6 Mark III, retailing at $2,499, body only. The R6 Mark III offers excellent value for enthusiasts and semi-professionals seeking advanced capabilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.